Today I am reviewing MERIOR 4L Electric Composter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who cares about sustainability, hates dealing with food waste, and wants a clean and easy solution for composting, the MERIOR 4L Electric Composter is an absolute game changer. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a powerful, modern solution that transforms your everyday food scraps into nutrient-rich compost quickly, efficiently, and without mess or odor. Designed for today's eco-conscious households, it combines convenience, speed, and cutting-edge technology to make composting something anyone can do without hassle. One of the most impressive aspects of the MERIOR Electric Composter is its capacity. At 4 liters, it's large enough to handle daily kitchen scraps, vegetable peels, fruit leftovers, coffee grounds, eggshells, even small bones, and turn them into dry compost fertilizer that can be used to nourish your garden or houseplants. This device reduces food waste volume by up to 90%, meaning less trash, fewer trips to the bin, and a more sustainable lifestyle without sacrificing convenience. For anyone who wants to make a real impact on reducing landfill waste, this machine makes it not only possible but effortless. What makes this compost stand out is its smart design and intelligent controls. It comes with a sleek LED display that shows composting modes, remaining time, and other essential details, making the process intuitive even for first-time users. There are 3 composting modes tailored to different needs. Whether you're dealing with small amounts of scraps or heavier kitchen waste, the compost adapts to give you optimal results. The one-click auto-cleaning feature is particularly impressive. After the cycle is complete, it cleans itself, saving you time and effort while keeping the unit hygienic. Speed is another major advantage. Powered by a strong churning system with 6 robust blades, the MERIOR Composter can process waste in just 3 to 6 hours. That's an incredible turnaround compared to traditional composting methods, which can take weeks. This speed not only saves time but also encourages consistent composting habits because there's no waiting days to see results. It's almost like having your own miniature, odor-free recycling plant right in your kitchen. Speaking of odor control, this is where the MERIOR truly shines. Composting can often produce strong, unpleasant smells, but this electric composter comes with 2 activated carbon filters that work quietly to eliminate odors during the composting process. This means you can keep the composto right on your kitchen countertop without worrying about foul smells lingering in your home. For those who have tried composting before and were put off by the odors, this is a huge relief. Ease of cleaning is another area where the MERIOR excels. Once composting is done, the bucket and blades can be easily removed and washed. They are even dishwasher safe. The one-button auto-cleaning system ensures the compost stays fresh and ready for the next use. This combination of self-cleaning convenience and removable parts makes it far more user-friendly than many other composting solutions. The design of this composter also deserves praise. Built with durable stainless steel and a sleek beige finish, it's compact and stylish enough to fit seamlessly into modern kitchens without taking up too much counter space. Its square shape and quiet operation make it unobtrusive, and the 4L capacity is perfect for both small and larger households. You can place it right where you prep food, making composting part of your daily kitchen routine instead of a chore you have to plan for. From an environmental perspective, the MERIOR Electric Composter offers tremendous value. It's not just about convenience, it's about changing the way we deal with waste and helping the planet. By turning food scraps into valuable compost quickly and efficiently, it reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills, cuts greenhouse gas emissions, and contributes to healthier soil. For people who care about sustainability but don't have the time or space for traditional composting, this machine is a perfect solution. In short, the MERIOR 4L Electric Composter is a must-have for anyone who wants to embrace eco-friendly living without the mess, odor, or hassle of conventional composting. It combines advanced technology, speed, powerful composting ability, superior odor control, and effortless cleaning into a sleek and practical appliance. For anyone serious about reducing food waste, improving sustainability, and making composting easy, this composter delivers on all fronts. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in a cleaner kitchen, a healthier planet, and a smarter lifestyle.